So this term we are looking at our topic paws, claws and whiskers. So that's all about animals. So let's start with English. We are focusing on narrative writing this time, so that's short stories. So we thought maybe at home you could help the children create their own short story. So maybe you could look at story maps first. They could write the beginning, middle and end, think about who they want in their story. And then once they put it all together, we thought if they brought it into school and wanted to show us, then they would get some dojo points, which they love to get. And also, still, as usual, just a big focus on reading. Read as often as you can. And also spelling shared. The children love spelling shared. So again, just going on that as often as possible would be brilliant.
This half term in maths, we are going to be looking at telling the time. So in year 1, we learned to tell the time to the hour and to 1/2 to the hour. So we've already started with this with the children. They know that a clock is a whole and 1/2 is the half. So it's all about saying that the minute hand is all the way up for o'clock and all the way down for 1/2, and it's just practicing that as often as you can. Using your own clocks and watches at home would be brilliant. We are also, because we've covered the 4 main equations, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we are now just practicing those skills as often as we can, making sure that they're embedded. So using, again, physical objects at home to add and take away and multiply and divide would be brilliant.
Fab.
As well as that, in PHSE this half term, we have a big focus on personal hygiene. So how often do you brush your teeth, making sure you wash properly, making sure your clothes are clean, things like that. What we'd really like the children to do is make their own poster at home about keeping clean and what you need to do to make sure that you're looking after yourself and your body.
Lovely. And lastly, science. So as I said, it's a big focus on animals. So maybe the children could go on a mini beast hunt. They could identify what animals they can see, what insects they can see, anything like that. How many legs do they have? Do they think it's a mammal? And so on. And also we're focusing on seasonal change again. We have covered this, but we are recapping it. So maybe the children could start to see the change in the weather. What clothes are we now starting to wear? Things like that. That would be fantastic.
Okay.
Lovely.
We'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.